Titrating for dummies like me. When titrating, your setup will look a little bit like this. A little different. You'll have a ring stand that holds your burette in the classroom. This is a little different because of our extreme circumstances. Setting this up is really simple. All you got to do is set up the ring stand, connect the burette to the ring stand, and set your flask so that the tip of the burette is just a little bit in the top opening of the flask. An important thing in titrations is knowing how to read your burette. And the way you read the volume that has been dispensed by the burette is your top line should be 0. And then you count from 0 to the meniscus, or wherever you started. So if I start at 5, and then the bottom of the meniscus, the little curve, is at 10, then you do 10 minus 5 is 5, and that's how much has been dispensed into your solution. When titrating, your solution will most likely have a color indicator in it, which will indicate when the chemical change has occurred. And you do not want your solution to look like this in the end. You'd like it to be a light color, still be clear, but have a hint of the indicator color in it. While you are titrating, you want to swirl your flask the whole time to make sure it is mixing completely. When